The reason why you need to know your genotype is for you to know the medical compatibility of the person you are currently dating, or the person you want to go into a new relationship with, or the person you want to get married to, so that your unborn children will not suffer because of your ignorance. Now let's go into the topic. So now for intending couples, now let's assume X is the male, X is the man, Y is the lady. If you are the man, you have AA as genotype, and your woman has AA as genotype, you can marry. Right? That is a very perfect match, 100% perfect match. If you are the man, you have AA as genotype, your wife have AS as genotype, you can still marry, because what? AA, they can marry anybody. They are the one that has the strongest genotype. AA, they can marry anybody, right? Even though you are SS, they can marry, right? But if your husband is AS and your wife too is AS, you cannot marry. The reason why you cannot marry is that if you check the graph of AS and AS when they got married, some of them can be lucky. They can give birth to AA first. Why some of them can be lucky, they can give birth to AS. So if they give birth to AA, the child is safe. If they give birth to AS, that first child is safe. But if they now mistakenly go and give birth again, and they now give birth to SS, the child is not safe. SS are carrier. That SS means sickle cell, right? The child can die prematurely, right? That's why you see majority of the people that doesn't check their genotype before they get married, they can have like 5 children, and you will just hear that before 15 years, 4 children have died from those children, remain only 1. Maybe if those 4, maybe they are carriers. They might be SS, they might be SC, they might be, maybe that only one that remain, maybe is the only one that is AS or AA. You get me? So that's why it is very important for you to know your genotype before you settle down, before you get married, before you start knocking that babe. It's very important for you to know your genotype, so that both of you will not regret. And people that are carrier, if you come from a rich family, or from a family that is still doing well, at least you are feeding 3 times in a day, you now go and have 2 SS in your family. Now that 2 SS, now you go finish in a family wealth. It's true, those 2 SS, because the type of money you will be spending on them monthly, weekly. See, it reached to build 2 mansions. The type of money you will just be carrying them go. Just now imagine that you don't have money, you're not go and give birth to SS. Don't know that it don't finish for the family. It don't finish, because where is the money that you use to take care of them? And that will make those children die quickly, prematurely. You will now think is some people will now say, they give birth to TD, these 2 have died, remain 1. God, don't kill this one for me. Ignorance. Ignorance is what is finishing a lot of families nowadays. You don't know something, you think everything that happen in your family is the devil's work, or na village people cause am, na this thing cause am. It's a lie. It's your ignorance, because you don't know that your genotype and your wife's genotype, maybe you might have carrier among your kids. Ignorance is what is killing a lot of families nowadays. So that is the reason why we are giving this lecture. So now let's go into the next one. So if your husband is SS and you, the lady, you are AA, you can marry, because your genotype has covered for the man, right? His SS is a carrier and you are AA. You are not a carrier, you are 100% free. Both of you can marry, but it's just that both of you can give birth to AS, 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 AS. All your kids will be AS, right? I'm still going to tell you some of the side effects of this genotype. I'm still going to tell you after this, so make sure you watch the video to the end and you like and share as well. Then let's go now to the next one, which is what? SS. Now imagine you are SS, your husband is SS, all your children will be SS, carriers. You cannot marry. That is the reason why some families, the husband might be AS and the wife might be SS, but they will get married. All their children will die prematurely. right? It's because of the genotype, right? It's because, and even if both of them are SS and they get married, all of their children will be SS, SS, SS. So the guarantee that they will live is in God's hands, and is how you take care of them. Because anybody that has the genotype of SS, they like to stay in a very neat environment. Dust is one of the side effects, some of the things that used to affect them quickly. Dust, if they can perceive any small dust like this, hey, no be better, no be small money that you will spend to take care of him because of that small dust. Okay, let's go to the next one. We'll still come back to that one. So if your husband is AS and you are SC, SC is also a carrier. You can never marry. If your husband is AS and you are CC, you cannot marry. That is also a carrier. SCC, there's no difference between CC. CC and SS is the same thing, right? CC and SS is the same. The same. It's just that the figure change. Is the same. They are both carriers. Okay. Then if your husband is AS, okay, AA and SC, you can marry. If your husband is AA and you are CC, you can marry. So these are the graph. These are what you need to know as an intending couple or someone that is going into a relationship, not intending couple only, right?